you ready to make technology work for you? Tune in to Act on Tech, the podcast where we break down the latest tech trends and show you how to boost your productivity at home and in your business. So, subscribe to Act on Tech today and visit alexcustomtech.com to see how we can take your business to the next level. That's Act on Tech, your guide to smarter tech for a smarter business. Alex Custom Tech, IT means integrity and trust.
Hi, welcome to Act on Tech, where we talk all things technology. I am Alex of Alex Custom Tech, and today we are talking about how to take control of your data by building your own NAS. NAS, Network Attached Storage. So when I use that word, that's what it really means. All right. If you have ever wanted your own private cloud and if you ever want your own private cloud to keep your files and stuff secure, accessible, and under your own control, this episode is for you. All right, we're going to unpack what a NAS is. I think I may have made mention of it before in passing. I think I told you that I have servers around my house and my business and whatever, and a NAS is a server. And we can talk about what a server really is. It's a computer. In opposed to you using it to retrieve information, it sends information. So it serves up data, serves up files, serves up stuff. That's what a server is. And you can own your own server. And this is kind of would be a DIY project for people who are tech savvy or is interested. We're going to unpack it a little bit and talk about what it really is. So we live in a world where we talk about cloud all the time. Cloud everything, cloud this, cloud that. And I've made mention on cloud here, and I talk about what cloud really is and what it's not. And we talk about backups and the kinds of backups and all this other stuff, right? But let me give you a little tip and more control, right? So you can have the same flexibility and the convenience without giving your data to a third party. Some services out there, Google Cloud, whatever, for managing your information. That's exactly what a NAS gives you, right? So it's a central device on your network, in your business, in your home, actual physical computer that stores your files, back up your computers, and can even host personal cloud, right? Today we'll cover the NAS and if you need to build one, how you can build one, and how to use it like a pro. It's kind of a bold statement, but it's not really rocket science. Anybody can do it. All right? Trust me. It's not hard. And I'm going to tell you how you can get one today without it being a problem. Actually, I'm going to put up on my website recommended NAS. If you're not tech savvy and you want to just dive in, I'm going to put up a NAS for you to use. You can buy and you can just go to town with it. So, what is a NAS? A NAS, a network attached storage. Think of it as your personal server for your home or business. It connects you to your router or your switch, and lets you store, access, and share data across multiple devices. Whether your phone, your computer, you can all pull the same information, right? It can be used to store files, media streaming, and surveillance footage, even back up your computers, and more. You can do that with it. It's a very handy-dandy tool. If anybody watch Blue's Clues, you can get the reference. Why you should build your one? Okay. You should build your one for these reasons. Control. Your files stay on your hardware, not on some corporate data center, right? Second, privacy. No third party accessing your stuff or tracking your stuff. 3, customization is the part that I like. You decide what apps or service runs on this unit. Like I said, I have multiple servers here, and I want to count how many NAS I have. I have one for the radio station, that manages all the music, it stores all the music and the sweepers and everything like that. And I have one for the house that manages all the media. That NAS that's in my house, it has all the medias on there, all my photos, everything on there, movies, music, everything is stored on that NAS for the house. And it has a couple of services that runs on it. One of the services that it runs its own cloud, so it has like a synchronization thing going on it, and it also is a file server. So when I'm working on a document, my wife could work on the same document without us being on the same computer. So I choose what apps to run it, right? And I'm building on a couple of NAS. I'm doing a project right now, and I'm using some NAS more enterprise level, but I'm working on something here, and I'm using those, right? So also cost saving, upfront cost, yes, it's an investment versus real cloud costs you pay forever and ever. Amen. All right. Now, learning value, great hands-on project for you to understand how storage work, networking basics, and security. All right. NAS hardware options. Here's the cool thing about NAS. You don't need to go out and buy anything. You probably have a computer lying around your house right now that can you use as a NAS. So DIY build, right? Use an old PC or a mini PC or a small server. Add a large capacity hard drive into it. Preferably, you have hard drives that are built for NAS. That means that they can handle 24-hour running. Those are normally like your let me give you some. What I use WD Red, right? But you can use Iron Wolf or you can use Seagate. All of them made special hard drives to handle that kind of thing, right? Pre-built system. So if you don't want to do the hands-on DIY thing, you can do a pre-built system where you can go get a Synology, a QNAP, or a TerraMaster. I have a TerraMaster, believe it or not. The TerraMaster runs in my house. That's the one I use in my house. So I don't have to spend too much time tweaking with it because I already have all the other NAS in my business that I'm messing with already. So at home, it just works, right? So TerraMaster is the unit that I have in my house. It's great if you prefer a plug and play, all right? And it's easy to play, easy to set up, no problem. Now here's a tip: connect it to a gigabit network, which all houses should be gigabit by now. But connect to a gigabit network or higher, right? For faster transfer speeds. So you can back up your computer faster, you can get your video streaming faster, and that kind of stuff, right? Okay. So now software and features. So, of course, you can make it a file server. So it can be a file storage or backup, access your data from any device on your network, of course. Private cloud, you can sync your files like Dropbox or Google Drive. Google Drive, believe it or not, can run on your NAS and be on your NAS as its own service, which is cool. Except for servers, and the server is yours, right? Instead of it being Google's, it's your server. Media server, like what I use for streaming music, for photos, and for video using Plex or, another Plex type service, right? Surveillance storage. Many people have like cameras over the house and all over the house. Instead of you having to have a cloud service that collects all that camera footage, you can store it on your NAS locally, which is brilliant, right? And you can record it right there from IP camera footage. You can have remote access to it. You can need a VPN, right, or dynamic DNS, but you can remote into it from anywhere in the world securely. Now, security and maintenance. So here's the thing I want you to take into consideration if you do decide to build your own or to get an off-the-market one, right? Always, security is important. We talk about security here all the time. Always keep security password strong or use 2FA. Talk about that before to access your NAS. Regular updates, keeping that updated. So even the DIY projects, they're gonna have like updates every once in a while for the software. Open like FreeNAS will have FreeNAS is open source software you can run on your old computer, and that could turn your old computer into a NAS. And you would you would definitely run updates on that. So keep it updated. So if there's any holes or whatever, you can do that, because remember, people attack NAS too, right? So you want to make sure that you're up to date. And of course, you have your Synology, your Termos that the updates automatically. You can turn on the updates automatically, and you can do that. Of course, you can. I recommend you not do that. I recommend you turn off your updates, but check them, make sure that they're okay. Wait a couple of days first to see if anybody complains about the updates that they have, and then everything is good, then you update it, right? Okay, back up your NAS. So here's the thing that I'm working on right now with my home NAS. So my home has like 6 terabytes on there, and it's like almost full. They have 5 terabytes or 4 terabytes of data is on there now. I'm gonna have to buy a couple of hard drives as cold storage to back up what's on the NAS, because I'm going to be doing some upgrades, and I'm going to be expanding the storage capacity on my TerraMaster. So I want to actually copy those files that's on it right now, back it up, and then increase the hard drives in there, and then move the files back over. So you want to have some kind of a cold storage, meaning, and all a cold storage is you back it up and store the actual hard drives or USB or whatever somewhere where it's not constantly online, nobody has access to it. We'll talk about the 3-2-1 backup strategy already. I covered that before with you guys, so you know what I'm talking about, right? So consistently, so make sure you have that external source of backup. You can even use another cloud service if you want to have an offsite backup. So you can have your NAS back up to a cloud service. That's doable. All right. Consider creating separate user accounts for different people on your device. So of course you can have like files on your device or folders that are accessible to everybody, but they only have access to the folders you allow them to have. So you can actually really fine tune how people use your NAS, and what they're exposed to, what they can see, what they cannot see. You can really fine tune it. All right. So what are the takeaways? The takeaways is that a NAS is your own private cloud, faster, more secure, and fully under your control. This is why I love it so much. The concept, the idea, freedom, liberty is all I'm about, right? You can build your own yourself or buy a pre-built model depending on your comfort level. So let's talk about that a little bit. So say you hear this podcast and you're really not really computer savvy, and you have computers in your house, of course, but you don't really know what to do, how to even go about it. Go down to Best Buy and ask for a Synology or a TerraMaster or a QNAP. Now those are like boxes that have hard drives in them, or maybe you have to buy some additional hard drive to put in there, or whatever, depends on what you want to do. But you plug that in to your network, preferably put it close to your router that your ISP gives you. Plug it into one of those ports that's available, and it will get the IP address and everything it needs from your existing network. You use a laptop, you log into the web interface, and you can configure it. Walks you through it, man. You can configure it the way you want it, and right there you set up your password, your 2FA, and then you connect your computer, your laptop, your MacBook, whatever, to back up to the cloud. You can start moving some of your files over. It's gonna give you a app store, and you can go through those apps that they have, and you can install whatever is suitable for you. You can install Plex, you can install another media streaming service, you can install Google Drive on there, you can install QNAD, you can do all the world is your oyster, but it'll be yours, right? And it's on your network, and whenever you come home, whenever you use anything on your laptop, on the end of the night, it's gonna back all it up to your NAS, and you can set up when it backs up. It's all there in these over-the-counter NAS that they sell. Of course, it's not enterprise level that I have in here with these blade servers that I have in here in my server rack. But again, the concepts are the same. And believe it or not, if you want to get all fancy, of course, you can then take out your old computer that you have in your basement, dust it off, go to Micro Center, pick up a couple of hard drives, 2 terabyte hard drives, because if it's an old computer, you probably can't read more than 2, and pick up a couple of 2 terabytes hard drive, pop it in there, right? Go to google.com, download free NAS, install it on the the old computer and you automatically have your own NAS. It's that simple, right? And it's gonna have a store like that. In fact, I could talk about with the over-the-counter ones, and you can go pick and choose which application you want to run on there, and then that's it. It's the same concept, right? It's just that one is open source and one you gotta pay for. So just think about that. Try to keep the control as much as you can, right? And that's how I would recommend it. I'm gonna actually check out Alex Custom Tech webpage and recommend. I'm gonna add a NAS up there that you can buy now and enjoy yourself this way. I'm gonna put one up there. I recommend that you do. I think every house should have a NAS. I think every home should have a NAS, and I think every business should have their own NAS. And again, these NAS you can buy at Best Buy or Microsoft. You can put them in your business too. Again, you can do that. Of course, you get your MSP to help you. They might help you out with a better pick than what I can, of course, depending on what you're doing. I have been to dentist offices and they run QNAS there, they run Termaster there, I would recommend, if you have a business though, personally, and all of my tech guys wouldn't agree with me, but I'm going to say it anyway. If you're running a business and you don't have a tech person with you, you don't have a person like myself, MSP, get a Synology. I recommend Synology. And Synology is a little bit of a pain in the ass for tech people, but the reason why it is because it's very proprietary focus. So you can't swap out the hard drive of any hard drives. You have to use their recommended hard drives or their hard drives. Pain in the ass, trust me. But the ecosystem behind them and the support behind them is very good. And that's why I would recommend that small business use Synology if they're going to go the prosumer, not build their own. Of course, you can have your MSP build you a NAS and then they can manage it. That's not a problem. But if you are not going to use MSP, you're going to go your own. And honestly, if you even have an MSP and you want the protection, they say, listen, I'm getting a Synology, what they're going to say to you, okay? It's your business. You can do what you want. But I recommend Synology. If I'm going to recommend a NAS out the box, get a Synology. That's what I would recommend. Yeah, definitely. So, yeah, of course, build your own or get one. Keep your backup secure, just like you would with any other critical system. For small business, a NAS can be make it or break it. All right, it's a cornerstone of your data protection. Trust me, ransomware and all this other stuff this is how you prevent ransomware with a NAS. This is kind of like the secret weapon. All right, so with that said, thank you for tuning into this podcast. I'm not the most entertaining person in the world, like I know that, but the information I think is pretty vital and it's useful and you can use it. So for people who are listening, I appreciate you who are listening, right? And I really do appreciate it. So definitely check out the website, look at the recommending page. I'm gonna try to work on that today when after I finish recording this. I got some things I want to do, but I'm gonna update the recommended page and I'm gonna pop down on there and I'm gonna see if I'm gonna make some more tweaks to things. But again, I know you guys are out there, I know you guys are listening, and I appreciate you guys listening. Hope you keep on listening. I'm gonna keep on being consistent. And again, you need any help, you call your local MSPs. These guys are definitely there to help you. I think I'm probably promoting other MSPs more than I'm promoting myself. I just don't feel comfortable with the whole self-praise thing. But of course, if you like my content and you want me to help you, by all means, info at Alex Custom Tech, or you can call and leave a message. I'll definitely sure to get back to you, right? But again, your local MSP guys, sometimes even better than me. I'm not afraid to say it. My knowledge is limited. I've been doing this a long time, but there are people who are doing this longer than I have, right? So I just would rather you have a person helping you in opposed to say, call Alex. Again, I wouldn't mind the phone call. I would love the phone call. I would love more clients, honestly. But I really would my goal is to really have you guys, it's going to sound ambitious, but I would love it if people just rock on the people that can help you, and then we can stop the malware and the ransomware. We can stop it if we do these things. I know it's delusional to think that we can stop it, because people are always going to be lazy and not do the due diligence. But I'm trying to sweep up my little corner of the internet to fight that fight against hackers and these malicious people. And if I can do a little bit, and if I can help a couple of people by listening to my podcast and knowing that, security, and understand the whole concept of no trade-off is no solution. And that's not even from me. And I mentioned it a lot on my podcast, and I say there's no solution in life, there's no trade-offs. It's not really me, it's Thomas Sowell. I got that from Thomas Sowell, and I live by it. Okay, so let's try to stop these hackers. Okay, so get yourself a NAS for your house and for your business, right? If you can't build one, right, by all means, go get a Synology or a TerraMaster or a QNAP. Just get one. You're not gonna regret it. I'm telling you, you're not. All right. So with that said, thank you guys for listening. Really appreciate it. All right. Until next time, take control, stay secure, and keep acting on tech.
Looking for tech that just works and someone who keeps it real? Tune in to Act on Tech, the podcast that breaks down everyday technology in plain English. No jargon, no hype, just tools, tips, and insights to help you stay productive, stay efficient, and keep acting on tech. Need gear you can count on? Visit the Alex Recommends page at alexcustomtech.com. It's full of trusted products, from smart cameras to mini PCs, handpicked and tested by Alex himself. And when it's time to get serious about your setup, Alex Custom Tech is here to help. From small business networks to smart home installs, we've got your back. So remember, listen to Act on Tech, shop smart with Alex Recommends, and get support from Alex Custom Tech. Stay productive, stay efficient, and keep acting on tech. Alex Hutchinson is the founder of Alex Custom Tech and the voice behind the Act on Tech podcast. With years of hands-on experience in technology, Alex has built a reputation for making tech simple, reliable, and practical for both small businesses and families. At Alex Custom Tech, the focus is on solutions that actually work, from secure business networking and Wi-Fi systems to VoIP phone setups, smart cameras, and complete backup strategies. Alex believes technology should empower people, not frustrate them, and his company was built on the principle that IT means integrity and trust. Clients count on Alex Custom Tech for everything, from computer repair and upgrades to designing entire business networks to protecting data against modern security threats. Whether it's a one-time project or ongoing support, Alex and his team pride themselves on being approachable, dependable, and committed to helping people stay productive. To learn more about Alex Custom Tech, visit alexcustomtech.com, email info@alexcustomtech.com, or call 855-686-315.
Hey there, Jersey and Eastern PA businesses. Ready to take your IT game to the next level? Get excited because Alex Custom Tech is coming your way. We're your go-to for IT support, bringing integrity and trust to every service. From network upgrades to virtualization and even relocating your IT setup, we've got you covered. Stay tuned as we put the finishing touches on our new site. Alex Custom Tech, helping your business thrive with top-notch IT support right in your backyard.
Welcome to Alex Custom Tech, your trusted partner for computer service and repair since 2010. We provide professional consulting services to clients throughout New Jersey and Pennsylvania, offering everything from computer repair to network design and installation. Our focus is on building efficient, results-driven professional relationships with our clients. We work with you to create customized solutions that fit your specific needs, whether you're an individual or an organization. Our comprehensive IT consulting services are designed to make your technology work more effectively for you. We provide solutions that meet your business's performance and utilization demands, because we understand that when your technology doesn't work, neither do you. We specialize in network design and implementation, taking the pain out of network creation, maintenance, and repair. Our team understands that even minimal downtime can impact your productivity and revenue. That's why we offer 24/7 proactive monitoring and maintenance to strategically optimize and protect your infrastructure. For residential and business clients, we provide affordable and reliable computer repair services, available both on-site and at our location. Our commitment to quality is reflected in our satisfied customers' experiences. We service New Jersey and Pennsylvania. Alex Custom Tech is ready to serve your IT needs. Contact us today at 855-668-6315 or email info@alexcustomtech.com to discover how Alex Custom Tech can help optimize your technology solutions.